In this video, I'll be showing how to register a school using TrackGate. The first things that you have to do in order to register a school, you must have registered an organization of which the type is school. If you can check the previous video on how to register an organization, everything will go smooth. The only difference will be that you'll have to select an organization type of school. And once that is being registered, you select register school here on this screen where you say select option. And once you have selected that option, it will show you that you must select an organization from the list, which this is the list. And then let's select this one, the second one. And then there will be a form that we have to fill, which will be the details of the manager of the school, in which most cases is the school's principal. And then there are compulsory fields that we have to fill and the optional fields. The compulsory fields are the telephone number, the username, and the password. Once you have filled that on this first form, then you can proceed to the next form. As you can see on this form, I only fill the compulsory fields on the form. And once they are filled, we can press next. And then there will be a next form. On this form, the details that will be filled are the school name, the school registration number, and the contact number of the school, which are compulsory. The other fields are optional. For this case, we'll only fill the compulsory fields. Once the form has been filled, the compulsory fields of the form have been filled, we press next. And then on this form, that is where we are going to put the department name. That will be the main department for the school. For an example, let's say the principal's office. Once we fill the compulsory fields of the form, then we can press register, which will register the school. That the school has been registered. The school's name is Tails High School. We have the registration number. The manager, who is the principal, is Donny Bang. And there's a telephone number and all other details that were filled in the form. So let's log in so that we can be able to use TrackGate to assess functionalities that are being designed for the school. So we'll be entering our username and the password that we registered with. And then once we've inserted the username and the password, we can press log in. And then there we are logged in. And then on the menu there, you can see that at the school, you can be able to register the department, you can register a grade, a subject, you can check employees, you can check students as the head of the school. Meaning when you check students, you'll be able to see all students that have been registered at the school. For the sake of demonstration, let's show how to register a grade and a subject. When you register a grade, you press grade on the menu, and then there will be a list of grades that are available for all schools, grade 0 to grade 12. Grade 0, which some call grade R. And then let's register grade 0. Then there's a form to be filled. That will be a form about the grade. And then there are compulsory fields that have to be filled too, which is the grade name, the school name, and the contact number. For the sake of demonstration, we only register the compulsory fields. After the compulsory fields have been filled, you can press register to register the grade. And then when the grade is being successfully registered, you will see on top there, grade registered successfully, the name of the grade, the name of the school's principal, the school name, and some other details that you would have filled. Should you have filled the country name will be visible too. So let's go back. We are back to the menu, then let's register the subject. Let's say the subject is maths. Once you have entered the subject name and any field that you would like to fill on the form, including the compulsory fields, you can press register to register the subject. And then there it shows the subject has been registered successfully. The subject name is maths, the school name, Tales High School, the school manager who is the principal, and the telephone number. And then let's go back. And then we are back to the menu. As you know, we must have a grade teacher, subject head, and teachers who will be teaching the subjects at the school. And also, there must be students who can register so that they can be allocated the grades and the subject which they attend. So, in the next video, I will show how to register a grade teacher, as you can see on the drop-down menu there, how to register a student, how to register a subject teacher, and how other teachers could register. The video will be released soon. Just keep checking for the next video.